Hey, this is Shane Long, wedding and portrait photographer based in Minnesota and Florida, and today I am photographing a wedding at the beautiful and stunning Van Dusen Mansion. I'm gonna take some videos so you can see what the place is like. At the end, I'll show you some photos of the wedding today. This place is absolutely amazing. I can't wait to show you what it's like. Alright, here we start in the parking lot, which you will see is very spacious, especially for a downtown Minneapolis venue. After leaving the parking lot, you'll walk up to the mansion. It has a breathtaking, majestic, castle-like feel to it. One of my favorite places to take photos is off to the left here, where the ivy grows over this arch. It's a perfect spot for photos. Through these gates is where the ceremony typically takes place. It's a long, dramatic, epic entrance and walk down the aisle. You sit underneath the highest point of the Van Dusen Mansion. Through these doors is where the dance takes place. They were locked, unfortunately, at the moment, so I wasn't able to get in there and get some video clips, but I'll have some photos later and kind of talk about the space. Now back to the side of the building. This is where I do a lot of the first looks, where the bride walks down these steps to her groom who's waiting under these arches. As we go around the side, you'll see all the beautiful shrubs and the vines. This was an October wedding. Unfortunately, we had a little snow that day, but this venue is phenomenal if you're looking for beautiful fall colors. These are the front steps facing the road. I do lots of photos of the wedding party and the families on these steps. And here's the side once again, showing the epic castle-like nature and all of the vines. As we walk through the front doors, here you can see the main entry level. This is where the cake cutting and the cocktail hour takes place. Down this hall, you'll have this beautiful fireside room with these elegant chairs. They put cocktail tables up everywhere so your guests can kind of wander through the mansion, explore, and have drinks and chat with other guests. This piano room features a beautiful piano and this beautiful couch. This is the room that the drinks are served in, so there's a bar back behind me there. You can see it's kind of adjacent just to the main level entrance room. Then we head up the steps. The woodworking is absolutely breathtaking. There's epic chairs. There's large paintings. And there's even statues. Every room is perfectly put together and looks just like it would have back in the day. Then we head down the hall, which leads to the room where the bride puts on her dress. I love that they have a separate room just for the bride to get ready in. It even has its own bathroom with mirror and shower, everything you would need in here. Down the hall from that room is where the hair and makeup is actually done, which I really like because this allows the brides to store their bags, store all their hairspray and their makeup and everything, so that when the bride does put on her dress, that stuff's not laying out all over the floor. This room also has its own bathroom with a spa and a shower. I've also discovered this ballroom upstairs, which is incredible and reminds me something straight out of Beauty and the Beast. As we head all the way down the stairs now, we're going to come to the room where the guys get ready. It's a long, large room with plenty of space for the guys to hang out while they're waiting. They can play cards, they can play pool table. There's a bar, there's bathrooms, and there's even a large projector. I think there's an Xbox and maybe a couch too. I wasn't able to get footage of the reception hall, but here are some photos that just show how big it is. It's large, it's elegant, there's plenty of space, there's plenty of room for the people to serve the food. And now here are some photos taken in the dance hall. This is one of the most unique dance halls in that it has a second level balcony where guests can watch you dance, and they get the bar and the drinks and the desserts on the second layer and do their dancing and use the bathrooms on the first layer. All right, that was the Van Dusen Mansion in Minneapolis, Minnesota. To view more of the photos we took today, click the link in the description. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.